Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
To prevent your air conditioner from freezing, it's recommended to check it at least once a year, ideally before the peak of the cooling season. Conduct a routine inspection that includes checking the coolant levels, ensuring the filters are clean, and verifying that the airflow is not restricted. Regular maintenance not only prevents freezing but also extends the life of your unit and maintains its efficiency.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.